younger brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
Suey!
Speed.
Yo, Chad, why this game so fun, Chad? What's up, Ben? I have a question for you, alright? Stop laughing, alright? Are you serious right now, bro? I just want to be friends. That's all I want to be. I want to be friends.
Yes.
Okay, we friends now?
No.
Bro.
Hello, Susie. Hello. Hello, Zoe. Hello, everyone.
Ben! No! Is this you?
No.
Bro.
Let's talk about music.
What music are you into? I like this. It's very grown up.
Shake, 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 shake. What do they put? How do... Bro, this is the real Peppa Pig account. They made me my own episode. Peppa Pig made me my own episode. Shout out to Peppa. Let me ask you a question, alright? Who's better, Ronaldo or Messi?
Messi.
Sorry, bro. Yeah, kill him. Dumbass dog, man.
Speed and George are going to play
Football. Suey. Cristiano Ronaldo. Suey. Ah, my head. Bro, this is like my life in Peppa Pig, bro. It's so weird watching this.
Here is Speed's best friend.
Hello, Susie. Hello, Susie. Hello. Let's play football.
Portugal versus Argentina. Ronaldo versus Messi.
We'll start.
Oh my. Exactly. Shut up! Shut the fuck up!
Messi, immens Messi, encara 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 Messi, gol, 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 gol.
Argentina has scored a goal.
No, bro.
The boys are winning.
They got Harry Maguire as goalkeeper.
Oh, my dress is a bit muddy.
What the hell?
Mummy Pig and George have found more things to watch.
Suey. Ronaldo boots.
George, we put the clothes in here.
The washing machine is making the whole room shake.
Oh, Speed. Where's your
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh my
God.
I'm washing it.
What? Oh no.
Let's go!
Look.
How did she get a signed Ronaldo shirt? Ronaldo shirt!
Yes, but look what it's done to everything else.
Oh dear.
No, bro.
Daddy Pig is home from work.
Hello, everyone.
Yo, big ass daddy, man.
Daddy Pig?
You almost got me there.
We've got a bit of a problem.
Tell me later, Mummy Pig. I've got to get ready for
Football.
Now, where's my football shirt?
Here.
He's a Messi?
Don't be silly.
Why is my daddy a
That's
Messi?
one of Mummy's dresses.
No, Daddy. It's your football shirt.
No, it's not.
What do you think, George?
No.
George does not like Messi.
Dumb.
Daddy Pig's friends.
Moo! Ish!
Yo, big ass daddy.
Coming out to play.
He'll just be a moment.
I need a
Ronaldo
shirt.
Yeah.
Daddy, you have a
Ronaldo
shirt.
No, it's not.
Just take off your jacket. See?
Suey!
Fantastic.
Portugal, stand up. Stand up, Portugal!
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Big ass daddy.
Like your shirt.
Suey.
Thank you. Come on.
Let's play football.
Welcome! 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 Suey!
Ronaldo. Encara Messi.
Oh, my head!
Portugal has been given a penalty.
Pinaldo, no, bro. Why would they put that in Peppa Pig?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Please. Hello, Akbar.
Bismillah.
Shut up!
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yes!
It's a moment of World Cup.
Yes!
Good influence.
Let's go!
Messi ain't number 1, ain't number 2.
Ronaldo number 1-1. Remember that.
Got here at every damn day.
Why the fuck?
Bang.
Where did Ben come from, bro?
Bang.
No!
Bang.
Oh my God.
Bang.
Yeah! Peppa Pig! Peppa Pig! W Peppa Pig, bro. Seriously, bro.